Hey there, this is Will from Hugin Bliss, the road to happiness. Taking a walk down by the Kennebec River down by my house. Rivers are pretty high today, and I just want to get outside and get with nature, and I want to be around water, I guess. I like the sound, it's soothing. But yeah, this is like a canoe portage. But look how high the water is, it's pretty high. Take you down here for a bit. Just a regular nature trail, something to do that's different. This is pretty cool. It's down closer to the eddy, so it's pretty neat. Look at the water out there. Pretty wild.